Hi guys, I'm Intra Jiki Benda, a student of the University of Perpetua University Las Piñas, and I'm reading BS Psychology. So today I'll be discussing about psychology, and I will be giving an introduction of psychology, a brief discussion about psychology, the types of psychology, and the uses of psychology and the impact of psychology. So, guys, stay tuned as I start the discussion. And also, to clear the misconception about psychology, how people think about psychology. So, introduction of psychology. Psychology is a scientific study of the mind and behavior. Psychology derived from the Greek word meaning psych, which is life or breath. Derived meaning of the word includes souls or selves. Self, S-E-L-F, self. And logos meaning explanation. So, psychology is a popular major for students, a popular topic in public media and part of everyday life. So, what is psychology according to the APA? APA stands for American Psychological Association. According to the American Psychological and Association, psychology is the scientific study of the mind and human behavior. It encompasses the biological influences, social pressure, and environmental factors that affect how people think, act, and feel. By gaining richer and deeper understanding of psychology, it can help people achieve insights into their own actions as well as a better understanding of other people. It is difficult to capture everything that psychology encompasses in just a brief definition, but to topics such as development, personality, thoughts, feelings, emotions, motivations, and social behavior represent just a portion of what psychology seeks to understand, predict, and explain. Wow. Then we have the types of psychology. Psychology is a broad and diverse field that encompasses the study of human thoughts, behavior, development, personality, emotions, motivations, and more. Here are the following from some of the major areas of research and application in psychology. But for time, I will be discussing few in the major ones. So we have the abnormal psychology. Abnormal psychology is the study of abnormal behavior and psychopathology. This area focuses on research and treatment of a variety of mental disorder and its link to psychotherapy and clinical psychology. Then we have number 2, which is biological psychology, known as biopsychology. Studies how biological processes influence the mind and behavior. This area is closely linked to neuroscience and utilizes tools such as MRI and PET scan to look at the brain injury or brain abnormalities. Then we have number 3, which is the clinical psychology. Clinical psychology is focused on assessment, diagnosis, and treatment of mental disorders. We have the cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology is the study of human thoughts, processes including attention, memory, perception, decision making, problem solving, and language acquisitions. Then we have the developmental psychology. Developmental psychology is an area that looks at human growth and development over the lifespan, including cognitive abilities, morality, social functioning, identity, and other life areas. Then we have the uses of psychology. The most obvious applications for psychology is the field of mental health, where psychologists use principles, research, and clinical findings to help clients manage and overcome symptoms of mental distress and psychological illnesses or illness. Then we have the impact of psychology. What is the impact of psychology? Psychology is both an applied and academic field that benefits both individuals and societies as a whole. A large part of psychology is devoted to the diagnosis and treatment of mental health issues. But that's just a tip of the iceberg when it comes to the impact of psychology. So this is all for today's discussion. I will be back with the next discussion. And for the next discussion, I will be discussing the history of psychology in its origins and the major goals of psychologists, the potential pitfalls of psychologists, and etc. etc. So hope this little introduction and knowledge on psychology help you guys. I will be back as soon as possible. Thank you for your time and understanding and for listening also. Bye.